How quickly can your business respond? Watch what happens, not what should happen. What actually happens if the process breaks here? The CRM should tell the complete story, not the salesperson's memory. In week 1, we created the foundation. Then in week 2, we connected every department. Now there is only one way to know if your business is truly ready. Test it. Not with reports, not with meetings, with the real customer journey. This week we are going to become our own customer. We will start with one inquiry and follow it all the way until the customer receives support after the sale. If one department gets stuck, if one employee doesn't know what to do, if one piece of information is missing, you have found a process that needs improvement. That's exactly what week 3 is about. Let's begin. Imagine someone visits your website today. They are interested in your business. They fill out your inquiry form. Stop right there. Don't assume everything works. Test it. Did the inquiry enter Zoho CRM automatically? Was every important detail captured? Did the lead source get recorded? Was the right campaign attached? Did anyone receive a notification? Or is the inquiry sitting somewhere waiting for someone to notice it? Your job this week is to submit one real inquiry. Watch what happens, not what should happen. What actually happens if the process breaks here? Every department after marketing will also be affected. Next, sales. Now the leads have entered Zoho CRM. What happens next? Does someone owns it immediately, or is everyone assuming someone else will call? Can this salesperson see who the customer is, what they requested, what they came from, what the next action should be? Now make the first call. After the call, update the CRM. Then ask yourself, if another salesperson open this record tomorrow, will they understand exactly what happened? Or will they have to call the customer again and ask the same question? The CRM should tell the complete story, not the salesperson's memory. Next, finance. Now imagine the customer say, please send me a quotation. How quickly can your business respond? Can finance prepare the quotation without asking the sales from missing information? Are your price ready? Tax configured? Payment terms defined? Templates prepared? Or does somebody open an old quotation, copy it, change the customer name, hope nothing was missed? This week, create one quotation. Not because a customer requested it, because you are testing your process. Then pretend the customer accepted. Can you immediately create the next document? Or does everything stop? Next project. Now the customer has officially become a client. The project begins. But what does the project team actually receive? Do they know what was sold, what was promised, what the customer expects, what the deadline is? Or do they call sales and ask what exactly did we promise? This week, create one test project. Use your project template. Assign the team, create the task, check every due date. Now ask yourself, if sales went on leave tomorrow, would the project still begin successfully? If the answer is yes, your handover is working. Next, customer support. Now let's assume your customer has a question. Instead of emailing a salesperson, send a message to your support email. Did it become a ticket automatically? Was the customer recognized? Was the priority assigned correctly? Did the correct team receive it? Would management see that ticket immediately? Or is someone forwarding emails manually? Customer support should never depend on memory. Every issue should have a ticket. Every ticket should have an owner. Every owner should have a deadline. Now HR. Finally, let's test an internal process. Imagine one employee applies for leave. What happens next? Does the reporting manager receive the request? Can HR see it? Is the leave balance updated? Does payroll know? Or does someone send 3 WhatsApp message asking, has my leave been approved? Choose one approval process. Run it. Watch every step. If anything depends on verbal communication, you have found another opportunity to improve. Your week 3 exercise will be, now comes the most important part. Take one customer, one inquiry. Follow that customer through your entire business, marketing, sales, finance, projects, support. Then create a simple list. Where did information stop? Where did someone have to ask another employee? Where was information entered twice? Where did someone forget to update Zoho? Where did you leave the system and return to Excel, WhatsApp, or email? Don't worry about fixing everything today. Just identify every gap, because you cannot improve what you haven't tested. Let's see what we have accomplished. We have tested our marketing process, we have tested our sales process, we have tested our finance process, we have tested our project delivery, we have tested customer support, we have tested internal approvals. Most importantly, we have tested whether our department actually work together. Our business isn't ready because the software has been configured. Our business is ready when one customer can move through every department without confusion. That is your goal for week 3. As you tested your customer journey, you will probably discover small gaps. Maybe your lead isn't assigned automatically, maybe your quotation template needs improvement, maybe your project handover is incomplete, maybe your support tickets aren't reaching the right team. These aren't reasons to start your implementation again. These are opportunity to improve it. That's exactly why we created ZDIY, Zoho Do Implementation Yourself. You don't need an implementation partner every time you find a small gap. Instead, work with a personal tutor. You implement the solution inside your own Zoho account. Your tutor guides you through the process, explain every step, and help you build it correctly. You learn while improving your own business. And to help you get started, we have also received 5 hours of free Zoho support. Check out ZDIY on Educator. We'll meet you in week 4.